Yuk,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri
Waalaikumsalam.
Kawati, and my friend Muhammad Latiful Hisham will explain the journal about an analysis of types and cause of the translation error. Translation is a process of changing an original text from one language into another. Nowadays, its role is important in almost every single aspect of human's life. Since its role becomes more vital, the quality of the result of translation must be qualified as well. Doing translation is not an easy task. It is combination of skill and art. However, there are many translations do some error in translation text. This research aimed to find out kinds of error faced by translation and the cause of the error. The researcher did library research to conduct this research. After reviewing some research relate with kind of error and the cause. The writer of this research discovered the most dominant types of error in translation experienced by the translator lie in surface structure such as semantic, lexical, comphology, and grammar error. However, another type of error in translation lies in depth structure, which is connected with culture difference between both source and target language. The second discovery is about the cause of error in translation. The most common cause is lack of knowledge about linguistic aspects of the target language can cause the error. Another primary factor is the anxiety of the translation themselves cause the error in translation. Keyword translation error linguistic types cause.
okay. Uh, Track the story written and spoken translation also interpreting have played a vital role in interhuman communication, for example, in providing context to important texts for scholarship and religious purpose. Yet, the study of translation as an academic subject has only and really begun in the past 60 years in the English-speaking countries. This discipline is now normally known as translation studies. Monday 2021. The term translation itself is described as a process of changing an original text in the original language into a different language by the translator. Monday 2008. Translation include transferring a message or meaning from source text to target text. Since translation is not only the word from source language to target language, but also the message or meaning. Thus, it must be translated appropriately to convey the accurate meaning from source language to target language. Then the mus- the mission the misunderstanding or miscommunication will not happen. Furthermore, to present the meaning of appropriately, there are some tips in doing translating. The first is the translator should be study direction, grammatical structure, communication station, and cultural context of the source language text. Then analyzing the source text to determine its meaning. And the last is restructuring the some meaning, use lexion and grammatical structure which are suitable in the target language and its cultural context. Version 1984. Next.
On the other hand, even the translator has enough knowledge about translation and linguistic theory and other related studies. There are still difficulties in doing translation, some difficult, some only expressed by the translation are meaning components, lexical items. Same meaning occur in several forms. One form represents several meaning and one meaning represents several forms. According to some articles which conduct research about error in translation, they discover some types of error in translation and the cause of the error itself. Newmark 1098.
1988.
In order to quit and limit this research, the writer of this research only focused on the types of translation error and the cause of translation error. As stated before, that translation has become an important study in the world because it can bridge the communication gap, especially in written aspects. Thus, this research is important to be done because by knowing the kind of error and also the cause of the error, the translation can understand what kind of error that mostly occur while translating. Another significant is by knowing the because of the error. It can make the translation Tia Aprilianti Putri 65 draft more a word in the translation text from certain language into another one, especially when the text contains specific the term relate with the source text culture.
Okay. Error in translation fixed by the translator is not only because they lack of knowledge of the target language, but the seemingly lack of knowledge in both source and target language, such as the stress, vocabulary, and 1000 Yauvi 2014. Thus, it causes further error in translator, which is divided into three types of error. Thus, thus errors and language error, culture error, and stylistic error. On the other hand, Kafi Paul and Jahan Sahi 2015 stated that possible reason the error exists due to the translator training, which does not give sufficient material. Due to reason, the translator does some error while translating the accord to Kahipar and Jahan Chasi 2015. Research the exposed other the three of error in translated. They, they are language error, miscellaneous error, and rendition error. Besides those kinds of error, Pengaranu 2017 added some terms of error in translation. The three types of error in translation are syntactic error, semantic error, and miscellaneous error. On the other hand, another study found different kinds of translation error. Uh, Lexical error, morphological error, and syntax error were found by Silalahi, Rafli, and Rashid 2018. Appeared in the result of scientific text translation from English into Indonesia. Translation error not only occur in translating paper-based. The following study is covered translation error in translating and translation application with in translation manually by people. Since the translator in the application are people from any kind of background, there are some error while translating text. Five tips, five, five, five tips of error were found in the translation application. This, this, eh, thus the five error are inversion of meaning, addition of meaning, omission of meaning, deviation of meaning, and modification of meaning. Salam Akil and Rahman 2015. Okay, next.
Since the translation is not easy task because it is a combination of both skill and art, thus the translation must master in some important aspect of search and target language. For example, be familiar with translation. There is have enough knowledge of linguistic from both search and target language, and also be aware of culture difference between search and target language. However, there are still many translation experiencing difficulties is in translating text from search language into target language. Thus, they make error while translating. Those errors occur because of some factors, such as ergodicity and lack of knowledge of linguistics. In order to decrease of frequency of equal error in translation, those factors should be solved thus the following error can be prevented. This research hopefully can help those who want to be a translator to be more aware about the error and the cause. Then, thus, two major problems can be different. Thus, the result of translation can be more quality. Another suggestion to minimize occurrence of the error. The translation can use any supported food sign as dictionary, for example, dictionary of collocation of dictionary of certain discipline. Online software such as online concordances of lexical database. Thank you for attention. Dan demikian dari jurnal yang kami jelaskan tentang an analysis of types and cause of translation error. Terima
Terima
kasih.
kasih.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.